We now get to file fields and hidden fields. HTML forms can contain an input element with the attribute type equals file. As you can see in this example here, this creates a file field. File fields let the user include one or more files into the form submission. This form is often processed so that these files are stored on the web server, and this is why file input or the file submission is often called file upload. File input opens interesting possibilities, but users are often puzzled with this element since it's not used very often. Notice that the other attribute is the name, where you can provide a name for this file field. The way this works is that they can enter the name of the file they want to include into this form submission, or they can click on the Browse button to browse their computer and then click on the file name, and the form element will place the name right here in the text field. Hidden fields are yet another form element. Hidden fields are used to add data to your form without displaying it to the user. The hidden field has the following format: input type equals hidden in quotation marks. That will hide the form element. Notice you can't see it here in the browser. Two attributes are the name attribute. In this case, I named it hidden field, as well as the value that will be passed with the form. So that's the part that's useful, is you can pass along information that's hidden from your users. Hidden fields are used mostly for tracking data or other data that does not need to be visibly displayed like other fields. For example, in a multi-page form, a user ID field can be hidden from the form to ensure that the subsequent forms, when submitted, are tied to the same user data. Keep in mind that although hidden fields do not display on the user's browser, they are still visible in the document. For example, you could always use a view page source to see the hidden element in the page source of the document. As such, then, hidden fields should never be used for sensitive data.